You cannot actually manage time, but you can manage a lot of stuff that will help you to do more and better in the same time you have available. So the name time management is just a convention. Time management should not be a separate activity. It should be an integral part of the way you do things. For this to happen, you need to be able to develop good time management habits and avoid bad ones. And an effective use of time also involves managing your environment, managing your use of technology, managing the time wasting activities of people around you. Why? Because today we are often overwhelmed by the amount of paperwork that crosses our desks or the number of emails that appear on our screens, just to give some examples. And there is a real danger that we end up being reactive rather than creative and spend all our time responding to what we have been sent rather than initiating new ideas. To avoid this, you need to develop techniques for handling paperwork, telephone calls, and use emails to maximize their value and minimize their disruptive potential. Technology makes it possible for us to be more efficient, to get more done in many different ways, but you need to make sure that you are really controlling the technology so that it also helps you to be more effective, getting the right things done rather than allowing it to control you. There are many time stealers. Demands and interruptions from bosses, peers, or customers can prevent you from achieving your goals, and this must be dealt with appropriately. Not all time thieves are external. Most of us are prone to some degree of seemingly harmless procrastination, but this can be the most insidious and dangerous time waster of all. This course is for any professional who would like to have more time to do the things that they really need or want to do. I'm Sorin and I will be your instructor. I'm a trainer specialized on management since 2005. And if you want to know more about my experience and my courses on Udemy, please visit my profile. Thank you for registering and try to watch this section with a what else would I need to learn question in mind. When you have some answers, please share with me. Your feedback will help me improve your learning experience. Next, you are going to see an overview of the topics to be studied during this course.